So you want to know where you can make some money online. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 websites that you can go to right now to make money online and you get paid really quickly. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly the 9 websites you can go and visit right now to start making money online. Alright guys, so let's jump in and have a look at these 9 websites that you can use to make some money and get some money in your pocket. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment below guys, because I reply to every single comment within the first 24 hours. So if you get your comments in quick, I can reply to them quickly and answer any questions you have. So let's jump in guys and have a look at the first website, which is actually really cool. I just found this recently. It's called fatllama.com, and you can rent out almost anything to anybody. So what that means is if you have a spare iPhone lying around, you have some spare camera gear, you have a spare fishing rod, you have anything lying around, you can actually go onto fatllama.com and you can rent it out to people online via their website. And you can rent things for $5 a day, $20 a day. I've seen things for $150 a day. We've got drones, we've got all sorts of stuff. And if you go into the browse tab, you can actually see all of the stuff that you can, all of the categories and niches that you can go and rent stuff in. And they have like a map where you can, people can go and find things to rent in their area. So if you've got some old stuff lying around, there's no harm in going and renting this stuff out to people in your area or in your country, and you can make a bit of side money by literally doing nothing. All you've got to do is upload your stuff to this website and people have the opportunity to rent your stuff, and then you have the opportunity to make money from renting out your stuff, and you literally do nothing. It's like passive income. They come and pick it up, you rent it out, and then you get money, right? It's so easy to do, and there are so many categories here that you can browse. People are renting out clothing, people are renting out musical instruments, people are renting out kids and baby stuff, people are renting out DJ equipment, drones, projectors, screens, film and photography, all of this stuff that you can rent out if you have stuff laying around the house. So fatllama.com is the first website in the 9 websites you can use to make money online. And it's very easy to sign up. You just sign up and then you can list your item at the top here. You can start renting out your items so people can go and use them and you can make money. Now, website number 2, guys, is really cool as well. Website number 2 is called mepic.com, and what it is you can upload art to this website or pictures that you have, and it kind of goes in steps. So let's go from step 1, share your art. So you basically take your image and upload it to this website, right? And then they bring it to life by putting it on these items. It's kind of like print on demand. And then you basically become a designer, and then you get paid via PayPal, and these guys showcase your artwork all around the world, and they'll drive people to your gallery and provide you tools to help you promote your products to friends and followers, and then you earn up to a $20 commission per sale. So it's a 4-step process. Upload your art, bring your art to life, become a designer, and then you get paid via PayPal, which is a common payment platform. This is a really simple way to go out there and make some money online if you have some art or pictures laying around. That is mypic.co, not .com. And this is what the homepage looks like right here. So make sure you're on the right website. Number 3, guys, and this is one of my favorites and it's new right now, is you can actually go out and you can there's a thing called li.me, and they are scooters that people use via an application to get around towns and cities. But they have a problem, and they offer a solution that you can actually get involved in and make money. If you go to the join up here and go to charge scooters, you can actually sign up to this website. You can drive around, pick up scooters, and if you charge them, so here this is how it works. Collect low battery Lime scooters, charge them overnight and deploy them in the morning, get paid right away. I mean, how easy is that to go out, get these scooters, charge them up, deploy them back into the world, and then you get paid for doing that. And it's not only Lime scooters, guys. I think there's Bird scooters as well, and there probably are other scooter applications as well, and moped applications if Lime isn't in your city yet. You will have one soon if you don't have any of this type of stuff in your city, but you can make good money. I'm not too sure on how much you can make, but I think you can make up to around about $20 to $50 per charge. I'm not sure how it works, how the money works, but you can make money charging scooters, guys, which is a really easy job to do to get some extra cash. Now, number 4 is also another great one as well. This is called Upwork. If you have any type of skill, you can go to Upwork and find people that are looking for employees. For example, guys, let me just get one up here. These are people here that I have hired from Upwork.com. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I have a team. We have like 20, 30 people on our team that I hire from Upwork that do jobs for me every single day. So Upwork is a great website for freelancers. If you want to go on here and you have some sort of skill that someone could use for their business. So for example, if you're a web developer, mobile developer, if you're into design, if you're a writer, if you're a virtual assistant, customer service, sales, and marketing. Now, I would recommend if you don't have many skills or anything like that, and you're kind of new to this, go and put yourself up as a virtual assistant, because they can generally do anything. And usually when someone like me hires you, we have to teach you what to do anyway, because it's not a one fits all. It's usually a specific job. Just today I hired someone online to actually manage my Facebook groups, and all they do is 2 things, guys. They approve members and they approve posts. That's it. Literally anybody can do that job, and I hired them from Upwork.com. So go and upload yourself as a virtual assistant, and you can do multiple jobs online, and the person hiring you will actually teach you what they want to do. That's why a virtual assistant is actually one of the best things to do on Upwork, because it's not like a set thing. You don't have to have a skill. They will teach you and they will show you what they want you to do for them. Okay, it's very easy, and I hire people all the time, guys. I have lots of people in my team, and I hire them all from Upwork.com. So it's another website you can use to make money online. Now, another one, guys, we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Website number 5, guys, is called muncheye.com. Now, on muncheye.com, what happens is people release softwares, courses, programs, books. And you can go into here, guys, and you can click on these products, right? Now, you need to sign up and get an affiliate account, and then you click on the what they call the JV page. On the JV page, you can sign up as an affiliate. So if you have an email list or a blog or a website, you can promote these products and get a commission. Okay, these guys alone paid out $2 million to affiliates in 2015, $4 million in 2016, $4 million in 2017. Last year, they paid out nearly $5.5 million in affiliate commissions. Okay, so this website is called muncheye.com. You can go here and see people that are about to release products, softwares, courses, and you can sign up as a JV partner, and you can promote these products and softwares for a commission. It's usually around about 50%. For this one here, guys, you get 50% of $2,497. So if you have a YouTube blog or anything like that, you can go and sign up as a JV partner, a joint venture partner, and you can promote these products. Here's another one. You can promote these products, guys, and make money. So you just click on JV page here, and then it will open up, guys, and you can simply sign up as an affiliate. You promote these products, and it has all of the information here, guys. You can win prize money, all that sort of good stuff, depending on where you come in the affiliate competition. I always win affiliate competitions, guys. Affiliate marketing is one of my main income sources, and it shows you how it all works. They give you the emails if you have an email list. They give you everything you need to go and make money. So Muncheye is actually like just a curation website. They just list all of the stuff. Then you sign up to the affiliate networks via muncheye.com, and you can make money via this website with affiliate marketing. So that's that one there. Now, the next one, guys, is what we call ShareASale.com. Now, this is a massive website where there's merchandise from stores, and you can become an affiliate. So if we click on Home and Garden Merchants and we let this load for us, we can see that we can actually go and promote products from these big brands like Brit & Co, Build Direct, FrameBridge. We can go and promote products from these guys like clothing, pet stuff. You get 6% commission from this entirely pets. And what else have we got? We'll go to popular merchants and see what we got there. We've got Circuit, we've got Dealflix, this one here, fanatics.com, earn up to 10% commission from these guys here. So if you have a blog on sports, you can go and put a banner on your blog or something like that, and you'll get a commission from fanatics.com, as you can see here. We also have Grammarly, guys. You probably see that all over YouTube ads. Grammarly, earn big with Grammarly, $25 activation bonus and 20 to 30% conversion rates. So it's a very high conversion rate. You can make money promoting these products. So go to ShareASale.com, guys, sign up, have a look, and there are literally thousands of products from hundreds of stores that you can go out and promote. So they have over 3,900 affiliate programs that you can go and join, and you can go and promote products from ShareASale.com. All right, guys, now another one, and this is really easy for people to do as well, is iWriter.com. You can go out there and you can write articles for people. So how it works is, say someone like me who wants an article, I will go and list it on iWriter.com. It goes out into the public in iWriter.com, and you basically send in an article, and they might use it or they might not, but you get money for doing it, guys. And this is a really easy way to make some money if you have no skills, because it's actually not very hard to write an article. It's very simple. And then once you build up a reputation for yourself, you'll be getting people paying you all the time for your articles. So iWriter.com, guys, is another great place to go and earn some money online, and it's easy to do. It's not very hard to write articles. You can write articles, blog posts, press releases, ebooks, Kindle books, Amazon reviews, cover letters, and much more. You can sign up for free. You can start using this website right now to make some money online today and get more money in your pocket. Even if this is a side hustle after work, guys, it's not very hard to go and write content. It's super simple to do. Anybody can do it. Okay, so that's iWriter.com. That is another website you can use to go and make money online. We have two more websites left, guys. The second to last is Clickbank.com. This is also an affiliate marketing website. So these products here, these are all the categories on the left: business and investing, computers and internet. We've got all of these websites, guys, real estate. All of these products, you can promote these products, and you, once again, will get a commission. So this particular product sells for $89. You will probably get around about a 50% commission for that. I've even seen commissions as high as 75%. So there is a lot of money to be made from clickbank.com. If you go back to my other videos on YouTube, I actually have one going viral right now that shows you step by step how to create a Clickbank website so you can make money by using Clickbank, and you can get into affiliate marketing. And the best thing about that video, guys, is I show you how to do it for 100% free. So check out my channel and you'll see that tutorial on how to use Clickbank to make money online so you can get more money in your pocket. Once again, and these are all the products here, guys: singing, surfing, language, fitness. There's products in literally every single niche. The last one, guys, is called QMe.com. On this website, you actually get paid to shop. So what happens, guys, is you basically earn when you search. So you can earn cash when you search on your favorite websites for free, and it's kind of like a survey thing. And you can also earn when you shop. And all you do, guys, is when you basically go shopping and you do things on these websites, and then you share your opinions and you get paid for doing that as well. So this is QMe.com. Probably my favorite way to make money. I would recommend going for affiliate marketing, or maybe charging up some Lime scooters. This is kind of like, this is probably a real slow way of doing it. However, you could probably make $100 per day doing this method. Okay, guys, so that's 9 websites you can go and visit today, sign up to today. You can start utilizing these websites to make money and put more money in your pocket, or make money so you can use that money from your side hustle to start a real online business. If you want to learn how to start a real online business, check out my channel, guys. I have lots of videos on everything covering e-commerce, affiliate marketing, Facebook advertising, everything like that. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below, and I reply to every single comment within the first 24 hours. And I'll see you in the next video.